What's up, guys? It's my birthday, and I'll show you what I got. Alright, guys, for this video, I will be filming. It'll be a lot easier. I'll be holding the camera while I'm running around because this gun that I got, you can operate with one arm, which you can cock and shoot, which is cool. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. I just be battling my brother. Here he is right here. Hello. He'll be using the strong arm while I'll be using a hammer shot. And let's see how it turns out. We're just going to keep on playing. If we get hit, we're just showing you like what this thing is like in battle. Not really dying or anything. Just giving good content. So guys, I'll also be playing with this scope that I got yesterday from my friend. It's pretty cool. It's like the ZED squad one that we have. Theo, can you get the ZED squad one? Okay. It's right there. It's right there. Hold on. On the gun. Yeah, it's just like that. Same range. Here, let me show you it. No difference with what it looks like. There you go. So it's pretty cool. And here, ZED squad is the... Wait, wrong way. Same exact thing. And yeah, let's go. My brother will be using the strong arm and the modulus targeting scope, the little one. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, Nerf war! Oh crap. Oh! All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh, crap. Ooh, got you. All right, this will go on for 5 minutes, Thea. Oh, miss. Okay, starting up on my ammo. Let's do it. Oh, got him! 3-1, I'm winning. First one to 5 wins. Missed. Ah. Oh, you missed. You missed. Oh, lucky. All right, so 3-1, I'm winning, Thea. Miss. Oh, I got you. We hit each other. 4-2. One more kill to win. For me. Fully loaded. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I missed. Oh, missed. Oh, that's it. 4-3. Dude, you can't just hide on the bed. I can't go into your base. I have to shoot from out here. Oh, I missed! Oh, dude. I can't believe I didn't hit him. Alright, 4-3 still. Oh, got him. That's game. Woo! Victory! Victory! Oh, got him again! Sucker! Woo! Yeah, baby! Let's go! That's how we do it. Alright, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I won by 2 points, 5-3. This thing, here, let's take out, this thing's cool. But this is a beast. I like it because I love this strong arm. I've loved it. But now that I have this, it's like an easy one-arm gun you can use. You can just cock and do this at the same time. That time was the first time I could actually like vlog and film at this, like this is the camera and holding it and shooting. So that was pretty cool. Alright, bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see more of ones where I'm filming myself like this with my camera. Or if you like the other one better, you probably do. But let me know if you want to see more of the filming I did today. And yeah, always subscribe. What's up, Theo? It's Theo. Alright, bye. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah,
Peace.
later. Totally get this gun. Totally. Definitely.